I feel like, baby, don't you do it to me. You know, I feel like I got my little Monica going on, huh? You wrap me in your arms, baby, and I love you for that, baby. Baby, baby, yeah.
Honey.
Hey ladies, it's Marni B here, and I am back with another wig review. And of course, I am short, guys. I'm short. So this is the funniest thing. I actually have been having nothing but long hairstyles lately, and while I'm doing nails, I've been busting out in a sweat. Y'all listen, I've been burning up in these wigs, and I just said I want to get a short style. Just as I said I needed to get a short wig, something came to pop, knocking at my door, girl, and it was Marni. So this is Marni. I hope I'm saying her name right. If not, girlfriend, we gonna call you Marni today. But this is Marni. This is how she's supposed to look. But as you can see, a new cut, a new color. I have been doing so many different reviews for you all, and I'm trying to get a diverse selection for all of my followers. So I'm trying to take one for the team and figure out if these wigs work for us or not, ladies. She comes in a variety of colors. It looks like she's hand tied. You can put heat up to 400 degrees. The part literally is from here and it goes all the way back here. But I didn't do any plucking. I didn't do any concealing or anything of that sort. I just kind of like her the way she is. And she came with a little couple of pieces of baby hair, y'all. Seems like 2 combs here, 1 in the back. She didn't have any lace to cut off, which was great for me. She got straps back there too, girl, so she's great. You know how some short wigs are super snug, like you can barely put it on your head, and God, y'all know that I am the one that have problems with putting wigs on my head because they can be a little loving. They can be a little clingy, you know, and I'm an Aries. I don't like clingy people, clingy places, clingy things, clingy items, nor clingy wigs. This wig was sent to me by Zury sis, and I will put the details as far as the color down below, but the color is Sombre RT DK Selfie. So I love it for 1 because it's short. I love it for 2 because it's short, and I love it for 3 because the color is pretty nice. It feels very good. It's very soft. Let's see how these little bangs, honey. Yes, girl, these bangs, honey. Get into these bangs, girl. Look, get into the bang. She's too short for me to even be experiencing any type of tangling. I have not experienced any type of tangling. So, ladies, I brought you a short wig, okay? Let me know how you like this color. Let me know how you like the style. I don't feel like you can go wrong with this type of style. Like, I don't care what you wear, what event it is. I really don't think you can go wrong with this. For you all who don't like a lot of hair, whether it be the summertime or the wintertime, this is definitely a wig for you. It's very comfortable, and I don't even have braid. My hair is not even braided down. My hair is actually in a ponytail right now, and I think that you would be able to kind of move this wig around. If you don't want it so much in your face, you can change it, but I just prefer for it to be like that. So she does have that razor cut styling. Let's see if I can show you. See? Do you see it? Baby. Maybe she's into it. Yeah. Y'all always be posting all this stuff in my comment. Oh, you look like this. Oh, you look like this. I look like Chad. Chadney B. I gotta go Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Share it with your friends so they know that we love wigs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at @TheReal_ChatneyB. I like her, guys. I think she's cute. Do you think I'm cute? Yes or no? You better not say no. Not tonight. Until next time, take care of yourself, because if you don't, you can't come back to see me. Okay? And I'll try to do the same. Pinky promise. Until then, I'll see you next time. I gotta go. I gotta go. I love ya. I gotta go. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye.